Hey, this is Luke Franco back with Legacy Life and Health Quotes. In our previous video, we talked about if you need life insurance. Today we're going to talk about how much you need. The truth is, everyone's in a different situation, so everyone's going to need a different coverage amount. We have to think about two things here. We have to think about your debt, we have to think about your final expenses. So those reoccurring bills, car payment, mortgage, rent, we don't want to leave those behind to your dependents, so we're going to want enough coverage to cover all of your debt, and we're also going to need enough coverage to cover your final expenses. Right now, the average funeral costs around $18,000. We want to make sure we get at least $20,000 of final expense if you have no debt. So the true answer is, everyone needs bare minimum $20,000 if you can afford it. If you cannot afford $20,000, I'll go down to $10,000, and that will cover your bare minimum final expenses. Now, let's go back to that situation where if you had a huge bill, let's say a car payment or a mortgage. The last thing that we want to worry about is having your dependents worrying about where they're going to come up with the money to pay for the mortgage and the car payment at the end of the month. So that's where the life insurance comes in. We need to make sure that you get a policy that's going to cover your dependents when you're gone. Whether that's for a mortgage, for a car, or just your final expenses, we need to make sure your dependents don't have to worry about paying those bills when you can't be there to help out. And in the next video, we're going to talk about those specific situations on term versus whole life and when you should get the specific policy. Thanks for watching.